Hello everyone. This lesson I would like to show you how to test front-end to back-end integrity in the software development system, and I'll show you what does this mean. The main thing in here is you have a front-end interface. I can show you in sample. If you just take we have one database over here. So we have now e-commerce database, and e-commerce database has customer table. Customers will be registered over here, and employees table, employees will be registered over here. Products will be registered over here. So for example, let us say customers will be registered over here. I would like my customers to be registered online. So for that, I have a form. I think that this is a form. I would like to use this form to be registered over there. So just I am going to give you an idea that this when I just register a customer over here, and when I click register, it should be registered in come to here in customers and should be registered over here as you see here. So here I just have the program. You don't need to understand the program, but I have already written a program, and think that when the developer wrote this program, he because he may do some mistake, and he may just you don't know where he may do such a mistake. So our main target is while we register our main target is I will register over here, and does this data is registered appropriately or not. That is, so the first one is matching in a sense. If you see registration, there is customer ID, customer name, contact name, address, city, postal code, and country. So I cannot add here phone number because the table doesn't have phone number. There is no way to add phone number over here and then put somewhere here. So one, does it match or not? That's the question. There is country, yes, of course there is country. There is postal code, yes, of course there is postal. City, there is a place to enter. The address, there is a place to enter. There is contact name, there is a contact name to start. So phone number, there is no place to enter, so I don't need phone number. If they add a phone number over here, I will just reject that one. Just means if the front-end developer may do a mistake like this, and he just create like this, and let me show you. He may just create like this, and he may say here phone number, and when you refresh this one, you may just find here phone number. So but we do not have a phone number column over here. Or the developer may do a mistake of missing country at all like this, and you may just get sometimes like this. And if you see over here, you may just, when you open this one, there is no phone number and there is no country, but we have a country which is missed. So we are the one to just control these things over here. That's what we call it, the backend to front-end integrity testing, and it's very necessary to test that. So I'm just taking you this way one, and once you prove that there is an entry point, end point, front end point to each back end column, the next one is, okay, I'm going to register a record, whatever it is, just I'm going to record here. And then does this record is directly recorded in my customer table or not? That's the question. And is it properly recorded or not? In a sense, for example, I'm going to record a customer one to one. This is the ID, let us say, and I'm going to say the name is XXX, and I'm going to say here the contact name is YY, and I'm going to say here address is, for example, Brock Overlook, and I'm saying here city is Herndon, and I'm going to say here postal code is 121, and I'm going to say here country is USA. Let me say here Virginia. And the city, let's say Herndon. Herndon is my city and my country is Virginia. I'm going to register right now. I'm just going to register this one, just look at, and I'm just clicking customer register successfully. That's great. So I know that there is entry for each column. So I'm just coming to here and I'm clicking customer again to refresh. And I would like to see one by one. And let me look. The customer ID is 121313. Just 121313. I'm just looking that. Here is 1313. So the first column is customer ID. 1313 is okay. Just let me draw and show you just by drawing. So here is customer ID. Customer ID is coming to here, and so is coming to here, customer ID, and this is 13. That's right. And contact name here is coming to here. Contact name is XX. That's right. And here is uh, I mean customer name, contact name YY. Here is contact name, so it's YY is correct. And address is broke overlook, and this address, where is address, is over here, and here is great. And if you just take it, city is here, so the city is Herondon. Wow, it's not Herondon, it says USA. You see the problem now. And if you see this problem, I'm just now country is, it's misplaced. Look, country is placed into a city place. That's a misplace. So you see that USA is recorded in the city row. So that's a problem. So it should be fixed, even though it's working and it's not recording, but you miss the place where to record. So for that, you see Herondon, country is here, country is USA, but city is Herondon. So Herondon is recorded under the column of country. So there is a problem, that means. So you just give raise defect, so your developer will see that and they know where the fault is. And let me show you, it will help you also to understand. The problem is here because when I write the PHP keyword, it says insert into customer. You know, I think you know how to write a query. So these are the columns: customer ID, customer name, contact, address, city, postal code, country. So values are listed over here. Now look, the customer ID is good. The customer name is customer name. That's right. Contact name is contact name over here. That's the same sequence. Address next is address next to contact name. Sorry, address next to contact name. There is address. That's great. Next to city, that next to city postal code. So let me see. Next to city is postal code. That's good. And then next to postal code, country. Now you see here there is city, but this is country. That's, you see, next to address there is city, but when you click this, you see the city is, the value of city is located at the end. That's why it is recorded at the end Herondon. So he will see that, and oh, this is the problem. So I will take this column and I will take it out here and I will put it here because I have to keep the sequence. If you know how to insert value, you know, you already, if you know it, it's easy. But if you don't know, just back and look how to insert query. So there is country now. Country is now ordered. So there is city and there's city. I think now it's fixed. If you just do like this, and if you just back again and do it again. Now I'm going to delete the customer, by the way, and also do not forget 1313. When I delete, it should delete the right the right record, and the query should be right. So I'm going to delete. Whether it's deleting, it's deleted successfully, it's saying. And let me see, sorry, I should back. Yeah, I deleted already. So let me see whether it is deleted or not. I'm just back and click customers. And of course it is deleted. I just try to look somewhere on the top. There is no 12313 record. So I'm going to register now. Click register. Registration is successful. And if I just back to here and click customers, it will show me here 12313. And let me see now, is name over there. I'm just checking one by one again. So let me check it one by one if it is working or not. I'm just checking if it is matched. Here is customer ID, and this is the one. And here is customer ID, and that customer ID is over here. That's okay. Here is customer name XX and customer name. I'm just going. That's right. Here is contact name YY, and I'm going to contact is right. And here is address broker Road, and I'm going to address is right. And here is city, and I'm going to city here, and that's right. And here postal code, I'm going to see postal code is right. And here this is the match. Now they fix this way, so I can say that is working. So this we call it back-end to front-end match testing, integration testing, and it's very, very necessary. If you miss something, it will be messed up at all. So this we call it the validating of fronting to backend. This is not the only way, by the way. You just have to let me add you one thing. For example, if it is Amazon, you have Amazon and you are opening this Amazon, and this computer says that the image of this computer is this one. Is it real? Is it really coming from the right place? Backend. The price, is it really coming from the right price? Just go to your database and check. Just go to products, and then find the product name as you see over here. Just look the product name, and then look for here, write or a query, select query, just write query. Just simply select this product from this where name equals to like this, and then you will get that result. And then look for the price. Is that the real price, the right price? So this is what the backend front-end testing, the matching. So is it image really coming from the right place? Is this price is coming from the right place? Or is it really? How do you know? Go to the database, check it. That's the way. So just please try to this way. I'm just giving you just the main and the basic part. Maybe next time I will add detailed testing of backend, because there are a number of stuffs also. Automation testing also there is, unit testing also there is. There are some tools also to do this testing. I will add next time. For the time being, we have covered main things of backend testing. Thank you very much, and see you on next time. Bye.